Be as clever as a snake. The snake has many wonderful characteristics, such as being cautious, discriminating, analytical, and clever. These words accurately describes the snake's behavior and habits. They are extremely cautious, discriminating, knowledgeable, and wise in their actions. There is clearly something essential we can learn from snake behavior. If you are afraid of snakes, stick with me for a bit so you can completely get what I am saying. Explore snake behavior for a moment and see how it connects to us being smart in how we spend our life. When serpents enter a new area, they do not proclaim their arrival. Rather, they keep low profile, remain silent, and mix with their surroundings. When snakes analyze a new environment, they look for potential possibilities. They find safe areas. They discover safe places in order to avoid any form of dangers. They watch and discover where they might get their best target. Once all of this information is gathered, the serpent is ready to strike. There is knowledge in a snake's actions that we must learn from. Whenever God wants you or me to achieve anything new, it is essential for us to enter that new chapter of our life with caution. Reacting too quickly before all the information has been acquired and absorbed is a typical error that can result in wrong judgments. In reality, one major blunder might lead to the loss of an entire chance. It is really preferable to keep our heads down, speak quietly, and fit into the surroundings for a moment, gaining knowledge from the sights and information we face. Serpents are intelligent enough to recognize when it is appropriate to strike. Realizing when to react is just as crucial as choosing when to remain silent. Whenever a prey comes in front of the serpent recognizes it's time to attack. If the snake waits too long, the chance will expire and will no longer be achievable. When the time is right to act, set aside your worries and emotions and grab the opportunity. Many individuals pray to God for a miraculous chance to come their way. They wait for that best moment to arrive, and it does. A fantastic chance is there in front of them. This is time for action. But instead of embracing the chance and passing through that door, they wait just a little longer. God provided them clearly what they had been desperately looking for, but they missed out because they waited. It was too late when they finally realized the moment. You and I aren't smart enough to figure out the best moment correctly for almost anything every time. So be cautious not to move too quickly, and equally be cautious not to wait too long when the time is appropriate. Open the doors of your heart to God and allow Him to guide you when to be calm and when to act.